Welcome back. Assagao Communidade has come up with a clarification over the alleged land scam. Attorney of Assagao Communidade has stated that development of Comunidade land is carried out as per the law. Attorney also said that land marked as settlement zone has been taken for the development. Earlier, some local activists had alleged that the Comunidade is illegally developing land marked as forest and orchard zone.
Attorney of Assagao Communidade, Cajetan Rapos, clarified to Prudent that the plot measuring 1,43,000 square meter, which has been developed for residential purpose, is under settlement zone as per the Regional Plan 2001. Cajetan Rapos also says that development is not in the forest or orchid zone as alleged by the activist.
He's saying that we are developing this property in orchard zone and also in private forest. I have the documents to prove here, clear cut. There are stones which are put by the forest department. We are not encroaching not even a square meter in the private forest area.
The project proposal was sent before the MAPSA PDA following passing of the resolution by the Gaonkars of Assagao Communidade.
Another statement that is being made is that my Gaonkar has not been taken into confidence. 2002 there is a resolution passed by the Gaonkar general body authorizing us to go in for this development of this land.
Comunidade claims that the land could not be developed between 2004 to 2007 as a legal dispute was subjudice before the High Court. High Court disposed of the matter in 2009, and following the verdict, the proposal was sent again before the MAPSA TCP for a NOC. Only 237 plots are being developed and not 590 plots as alleged by the activists.
Another statement that they are making is that this property approval that has been granted in 2013 by the town planning department is for 592 plots something, when the actual approval is for only 237 plots.
Attorney Cajetan Rapos has warned that the activists must apologize or face a defamation suit. Reporter Mukesh Kumar and Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Consulate of France has requested Goa government and Goa police to provide round-the-clock security to its Altino Panji-based alliance Francaise. But Goa police is either unaware about this highly sensitive security issue or they are totally careless. Prudent contacted some prominent senior police officers, but no officer confirmed that they are aware about this request or any security threat.
Consul General of France in its letter written to Goa government and Goa police has apprehended that they have major security threat from terrorist agencies like ISIS. Seeking round-the-clock security from Goa police, Consul General has further stated that France is taking on ISIS in Iraq, hence ISIS can target their Altin Panji-based Alliance Francaise office. We checked security arrangement at Alliance Francaise office on Wednesday evening, but surprisingly there was no security provided by Goa police. We learned that DGP of Goa police T.N. Mohan is on leave till Monday. We contacted DIG K.K. Vyas. DIG Vyas told us that he is not aware about any security-related letter written by Consul General of France. But DIG Vyas told us to cross-check with SP Security and SP Intelligence. We called SP Security Vamantari, but after hearing our question, he did not reply. He disconnected the call. We again called him, but he did not respond. We contacted SP Intelligence Umesh Gaukar. He said that he is not concerned with the security issues. But he added that Goa Police Intelligence has no information about any terror threat to Alliance Francaise office. We also contacted SP of North Goa Priyanka Kashyap and PI of Panji Rajendra Prabhu Desai. Both said that they have not received any instruction from their superiors to provide security at Alliance Francaise office. Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devin Gaukar for Prudent.
Around 1,500 workers from 3 major units are in hue and cry over termination of their services. Workers of 3 companies, Amyantit at Maina Naveli, Apparent Iron and Steel and Mormugao Steel up in arms against the employer company and the government. Some marched on CM's residence whereas some marched on Salgaonkar House in Vasco.
कुर्तोरे गांवांतली मार्मोगोवा स्टील लिमिटेड कंपनी जी गेली 1.5 वर्स पर्यंत बंद आसा आनी थिंगा 800 कामगार बेकार पडलेले आसा, बेकार केल्ले आसा. त्याचे कारण सांगता. आनी दुसरे म्हणजे कश्टी सांग्या गांवांतली अपरांत आयर्न एंड स्टील प्लांट लिमिटेडाचे सुमार 400-500 कामगार. उपरांत आयर्न एंड स्टील फॅक्टरी बंद करपाक जी तिनूय कारणां आसलेली ती तिनूय कारणां आयज बोगस जाल्ली आसा. पूण तरी सुद्दां हो गोवा सरकार कामगारांक रस्त्यार उडोवन जे मालकाचें बरेपण आहा तेंच करपाक भायर सरलेलो आहा आनी ह्या दोनूय फॅक्टरीच्या कामगारांक रस्त्यार उडयलेले आहा. ह्या 20 तारखेर येता 20 तारखेर आमी पणजेच्या गांवांत हे जे कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्सिस्ट CPIM च्या तर्फेन आमी जे विविध प्रश्न गोंयभर घेतलेले आहा त्या सगळ्या लोकांचो एक पिपल्स पार्लमेंट करपाचो आसा कस्टम हाऊसा कडेन. ज्या ते वटेन परवरी असेंब्ली चलतली आणि हे वटेन पिपल्स पार्लमेंट चलतलो.
श्री शिवानंद साळगावकर जे प्रोमोटर आणि व्हाईस चेअरमॅन ऑफ द MNT फायबर ग्लास इंडिया इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेडचे जे मालक असतात आणि प्रमुख शेअर होल्डर असतात त्यांच्यानी आमचो लाईफ टाईम करियर बेनिफिट आमकां दिवपाचो आसा ते अजून त्यांच्यानी दिवंक ना. जोपर्यंत प्रत्येक कामगाराचो 18 लाखाचो लाईफ टाईम करियर बेनिफिट जे आमकां मेळना आणि ते सेटलमेंट जायना तोपर्यंत हो असं आंदोलन जे आसा आमचे चालूच रावतले.
लेबर कमिशनर, लेबर मिनिस्टर आणि अप टू CM आमची केस चालू आसा पूण अजून कोणी एक्शन घेतलेली ना. म्हाका ना कायदो खंय काम करता ते कायदो मोठ्या मनशाक एक कायदो धाकट्या मनशाक एक कायदो.
आत्महत्या दिवळ आणून ठेवलेले आहे आमच्यासाठी. आज आम्ही 120 मुलगे बायको मुलं उपाशी मला दिवळ आलेली आहे. याला कारणीभूत साळगावकर जितका आहे तितकंच गव्हर्नमेंट सुद्धा आहे. गव्हर्नमेंटने आम्ही FIR केलेले असा 6 महिने झाले 6-7 महिने झाले FIR दाबून ठेवलेले असा.
मेळपाक जाय आसली लायफ टायम कॅरियर बेनिफीट जी मेळपाक जाय आसली ती अजून पर्यंत दिवंक ना. जो पेमेंट काम केल्लो आसा 1.5 वर्साचो तो अजून दिवंक ना. कितकेशे PFाक पयशे कटींग केले ते खाल्ले, सोसायटीचे डिडक्शन केले ते पेमेंटान दाखयले पूण एक्चुअल ते बँकेन घातले ना ते पयशे खाल्लेले आसा.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.